She hangs one leg on the wall. She desires him to explore and play deep beyond the shore because she wants pleasure cure. He makes his tongue crawl over her Toto door like a tongue tore as Toto turns into a waterfall. I am sure all she has to pour can cause erosion on the floor. Her tongue tip starts to roll around his rod hole. He holds his pole for her mouth to take a roll like a petrol nozzle in her mouth hole. He is losing control as she is using her tongue to scroll over his pleasure pole like it's on patrol. The pleasure parole is digging deeper into his soul. His belly caves in like a bowl as I see her swallow him whole. Now so, that's how to make a man lose control. If you want to download a copy of this Konji Maker, the full book is available for download right now. Just click on the link in the description of this video. Check where we wrote information of this video in the description of where you're watching and you can find the link. Download it right now.